I'm just showing you the ornate frieze around the top here of the Royal Albert Hall, opened by Her Majesty Now we've come round the front. This part of the Opera House was opened in 2004 by Queen Elizabeth II. And there's the other side of the building, so we've covered the 360 there. London Eye, situated on the banks of the River Thames here in the City of London. We're standing on Westminster Bridge on the banks of the Thames here, right outside House of Lords here, and of course Big Ben looking over towards Boudicca on her chariot there. Gateway to London's Chinatown, Harbour Street, West 1, London, and Isla Street, WC2 here on the corner. Three lanterns. Plenty of restaurants. Looking for the Oriental Asian shop. Here we are, Siwu, we found it. We're just heading up Newport Place. Again, got lots of restaurants here. Hungry Panda. Going shopping again. Asian foods, Chinese restaurants, shops and supermarkets. Milk, chocolate, caramel and crispy in M&M World.